Ford Sync resets come in two primary forms: soft reboots and factory resets. A soft reboot restarts the system to fix minor glitches without erasing data. You can typically perform this via the vehicle's ignition or touchscreen menu. If your screen is unresponsive, try holding the power button for 10 to 15 seconds to force a hard reset. A factory reset, found in the settings menu, wipes all personal data and settings, reverting the system to its original state. Use it for resolving deeper issues, but remember to back up important data first. Always park your vehicle and turn off the engine before performing any reset to prevent electrical issues. For a soft reboot, navigate to Settings, then General, and select Reboot Sync. This quick restart clears temporary glitches without erasing your data. For a factory reset, go to Settings, then General, and select Factory Reset. Confirm the action, as this erases all user data, apps, and customizations, reverting to factory defaults. Older Sync versions might require a USB drive for factory resets. Consult your owner's manual for the specific procedure to avoid any issues. If the screen is completely black, check the fuse box for blown fuses related to the infotainment system. Replace any blown fuses to restore power. After any reset, repair your phone via Bluetooth and reconfigure your preferences, such as radio stations and navigation settings. If issues persist after a factory reset, a dealer firmware update may be necessary to fix underlying software problems. Unauthorized USB resets can cause APIM failure, potentially voiding your warranty. Always follow official guides or seek professional assistance.